So guys, in this video, I am going to show you that how you can make everything bigger on your Windows 10 screen. So for example, if you want to make this text bigger or if you want to make this icon bigger, you can do that in Windows 10. So let's see how you can do it. So you have to go to start, then go to settings. Okay, after coming to the settings, you will see an option called ease of access. Okay, then click on ease of access. Okay, so here you will see a first option called make text bigger. So if you want to make your text in Windows 10 bigger, so you can do that as well. So for example, if you change the, then if you click on apply, so it is, so as you can see the text has been increased, size has been increased. So for me, I am okay with 100%, so that's why I do that in 100%. You can do whatever you want. So for example, if you want to make everything bigger in Windows 10, so for me, if you want to make it 125%, as you can see that the size of the options has been decreased. For you it can be different. So for example, for me it is recommended 150%. So for you it can be different, it can be 100%. So if I want to make it even more bigger, so if I want to click 175%, so as you can see the options has been increased, size has been increased. So if you go to the browser, if you want to go to the everywhere, the size has been increased. So I make it 150%, so which is very cool for me. So this is it. This is how you can increase everything bigger on a Windows 10 screen. So guys, thanks for watching.